Hello, you beautiful people. This is Mahesh Naidu from skillschoolonline.com. Uh, Today we're going to learn how to use your computer to record your screen. This is mainly used for people who would like to create course material or create tutorials, create many other things that they would like to actually let other people look at their screen or whatever they're doing. So there are a few ways of creating your screen recording, and one of it is Screencastify. Now, my videos are very short, so I shall just get to the point. And this is Screencastify.com. I'm actually doing it right now. I'm recording from Screencastify. So over here, what you need to do is try to add this particular Screencastify to your Chrome. All right. There are other plans if you'd like to go through all the other plans, but you probably choose the free forever upgrade anytime plan. Now, no wonder my videos are short because if you look at this over here, it says 10-minute video length limit, 50 videos per month, Screencastify watermark. Right? I don't mind the watermark. I don't mind 50 videos per month. I don't do 50 videos per month, and 10 minutes is quite a lot of time. So I shall actually upgrade once I cross these limits over here. So let's just go to what exactly we can do with the free plan. All right. Uh, in the free plan, now if you look at this particular thing over here, you can actually see. Sorry about that. You can actually see something. So once you click on this add to Chrome, all right, it says already installed. But if you add to Chrome, it goes to the Chrome store and then asks you to install it onto your browser. And then this is what happens over here. It looks just like this. It tells me my screen is getting recorded. But if you look at the other options over here, you have background tab recording, drive upload progress, video edit progress. You have a lot of settings that you can actually do. So in one setting, you can only record the screen, or you can only record a tab. And even if you go to another tab, it won't record that tab. So there's one which says it can record only the desktop. So anything all over the desktop, it can record that. And this is exactly what Screencastify does. Screencastify is for all. It's platform agnostic, so it's a website and it fits directly into your tab, and you can um, record your screen anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching. Any clarifications, please write in the comments section below, and do subscribe. Thank you.